Hello and welcome to this all-standing active recovery and stretch workout. This is a workout that's perfect for a rest day or if you're feeling sore from your workouts prior in the week. Again, all standing, lots of nice stretching, lengthening exercises, perfect to do as a morning routine as well. We'll get started checking our posture. Feet are underneath the hips. Roll the shoulders down and back. Engage that core, means tucking the tummy, belly button to the spine. Start with some hip circles here, so all the way around, soft bend in the knees. And then let's reverse. Hips go all the way to the side, back, side and front. Loosening any tension in the hips here. Come back to center, then I want you to do a little pelvic tuck. So knees are still bent. I want you to squeeze your glutes, bring the pelvis forward. It's like we're doing a little standing crunch here. We're activating the core. Realign that spine, grow tall. Inhale, exhale, tuck. For 3, 2, and 1. Big inhale, arms come up. Exhale, we're gonna dive forward, soft bend in the knees, reaching down as much as you can. Again, keep that bend in the knees and we roll up one vertebra at a time. Again, inhale, arms come up. Dive forward on your exhale. Starting from the tailbone, roll it up. 2 more times. Try to go a little bit lower each time we do this. And this last time as we dive forward, let's hold that forward fold. Hands come on top of the thighs, and from here I want you to bend the knees and straighten the knees. Bend and straighten. One more. Bend, straighten, bend again, tuck the tailbone, and roll it up. Finishing with those shoulders, couple shoulder rolls here. Feet come a little bit wider. Taking a small side lunge. Toes are just ever so slightly turned out. We're gonna add a nice big arm circle. You can make this as big or as small as you need to. Really stretch up and over. Again, stretching those hips and the inner thighs. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna keep this wide stance. Bending the left leg, your right leg. Arm comes down into a side lunge, hips are back, pop back up, and then a big side bend. So back stays flat. Bend the right leg, straighten the left. Reach down. It's okay if you don't reach your toes. Two more like this. From here, we're going to swivel to the side. One leg in front, one leg in back. Keep both of your knees straight. Hinge forward from the hips, core engaged. Arms stretch long behind us. So you're feeling a nice stretch in that hamstring, back of the front leg. As we come up, the hands or arms rise tall above us, and we bend into that front knee, stretching the back leg long, heel pressing towards the floor. Again, we hinge forward, straighten the front leg. Reach up and hinge. We come back. Up and bend. You do you. only going as low as you are comfortable. And if you need to hold onto a chair, if this is a balance challenge, then go ahead and feel free to do so. And last one, reach high, and we turn back to center, making sure again we have a wide stance, toes to the corners. Other side, bend in the left leg, straighten the right. Hips come back, big reach up, and over. Nice big dynamic fluid movements here. Two more. And from here we swivel to the other side. Both legs stay straight in the staggered stance, hinging forward from the hips. Arms stretch long behind us. Arms come up and we bend the front leg. Hinge forward, arms come back, reach long. Keep going at your own pace. Feel free to hold anything longer if you need to. Last one. And we return back to center. A little shake out if you need to. Coming to some shoulder work. Arms come up, and then we're gonna cactus down. We're gonna squeeze those elbows back behind us, opening up the chest, activating the back muscles of the body. We come back to a 90-90 position. We squeeze the elbows together and stretch them out again. From here, we turn to the side, extending both arms. Come back to center, other side. Twist from the torso, extend the arms. Come back to center. So combination move, let's do that again. Elbows come in, squeeze back behind us. Out to 90. Squeeze the chest, arms come together. They open wide. We twist and lengthen the arms. Come back to center. Twist side. Come back to center. This should feel really nice. Squeeze in to 90. Again, active recovery, active stretch. We're still working those muscles. Great for our mobility and our posture here. Make sure your core is still engaged the whole time. Squeeze and open. Big twist. Stretch long. Center. Stretch long. And center. One more time. In. Side squeeze together. And open. Twist. Center. Twist. And center. Well done. Again, a little shake out. We're going to come to a wide stance. One big hip circle. Stepping back out nice and wide. And coming into a sumo squat. So knees are wide. Big hip circle. Step side. This is slow and controlled. We have a slight hinge forward with the waist, hinging from the hips, and we send them back behind us in that squat. Maybe you're just doing a baby bend, and that's great too. Make sure the knees are in line with the toes here. And just one more. Let's toe heel in. We're going to pedal our heel, so popping one knee and lifting the heel. Really think about feeling the muscles in your feet right now, kind of peeling up and pressing down. Lower the arms, and while we're here, give me some wrist circles. And let's reverse. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet come underneath those hips again. Reach the arms up long. Lace the fingertips together, and if it's comfortable for you, go ahead and flip them up towards the ceiling. I want you to extend your right leg long, and then in big side stretch over to the side. Come back through center, cross the right leg behind the left, and stretch the other side. Let's do that again, same side. Extend the leg. Big reach, keep pressing the arms away from you. And other side. One more time. Really lengthen. Little shake out if you need to. We'll do the other side. Again, lace the fingers, press up nice and tall. Extend the left leg and extend that torso to the side. Try not to lean forward here. Cross the leg behind and re-stretch to the other side. And one more time. Back to center and shake that out on your way down. We're gonna lift one knee. If you need to hold on to a wall or chair base of support, we're gonna hug that knee in. Opening up the hip, maybe feeling a stretch in that lower back. And really tuck it in. But try not to bend too far forward, working on our balance here as well. While we have our leg here, we're gonna guide it to the back. You can hold on to something if you need to for a quad stretch. We're gonna try to match those knees together, and heel comes up towards your bum. If you need to use a stretch strap or a leash or a belt to help with this, go ahead. And then we're gonna tuck that pelvis. So we're not back here, tucking that pelvis, spine is in line. Feeling a gorgeous stretch in the quad and in the hip flexor. Deep breath in. And exhale, release it. Let's do the other side. Start with our balance challenge. Hug that knee in. And when you're ready, let's guide the leg behind. Hold on to something. We match the knees. Grow tall. Tuck the pelvis here. Again, forward. Tummy in. Big inhale here. And exhale. Release that foot and let it go. Arms come up. Inhale. We're gonna roll down again. Ragdoll here. Release the neck. Soft bend in the knees. We're gonna roll up just halfway. Keep the bend in the knees. And then I want you to wag your tailbone side to side. And you can round your back a little bit here if that's comfortable or safe for you. Just releasing any tension in that lower back. Do what feels good to you. Side to side. Meet me back in the middle. Again, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, and we take our last roll up, nice and slow. Finishing with our shoulders. One more big inhale up, and exhale down. I hope you feel amazing. Let me know in the comments, and be sure to check out my new website, seniorshape.com. I'll see you there.